Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you some of the features of the Volkswagen Transporter. Like all our vehicles, this van has undergone 128 inspection points by AA and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months. Plus, you get roadside assistance included for the first year with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both warranty and roadside assistance here at the dealership. We also applied a triple layer of Gardex nano coat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. The vehicle is also being subject to an exterior conversion with bumper color coding, and we also fitted these stunning 18 inches diamond cut alloys by Romac. The vehicle is in trendline trim level and is also fitted with a solid rear door and parking sensors fitted onto the rear bumper. Over to the curbside, you have the sliding door with the compass opening window. Let's take a look into the boot now. As you can see, it's fully ply-lined at the rear, including the roofline, where you can also find LED lighting fixtures. The flooring is instead in rubberized plastic with anti-slip treatment, and you can also find 4 anchorage points, plus 2 more behind the second row of seats. More on that later. Size-wise, you have 130 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 134 centimeters of height to the lowest point of the roof, and then an extensive and fully usable 158 centimeters of floor space. Let's get a look into the cabin. As I mentioned before, the sliding door is fitted onto the curbside for this crew cab van. You have lighting fixture over the doorstep and a free seat configuration for the rear. Once you access the front, you have free seat configuration with an independent and fully adjustable driver's seat, which has been fitted with 2 armrests, 1 for each side, independently adjustable, and a 2-seat bench for the passengers. The seats are in fabric with charcoal finish and the signature Volkswagen pattern over the center seat. Once you get into the vehicle, you have storage solutions over the dashboard and glove box and LED footwell lights. 1 more cup holder on the left and 1 just over here to the right. And once you take possession of the driver's seat, you have 2 analog clocks for the dashboard and a digital trip computer, which is fully adjustable and customizable. Over the left, you have the classic stalk for the indicators and lights. On the left spoke, you have the controls for the infotainment volume and also cruise control. While over to the right, you have the wiper stalk and the controls for the trip computer and the infotainment. A bit further down, you have the dial for the lighting. And you can also adjust the height of the beam from this other dial. Over the armrest, you have the central locking unit and the power mirror controls, plus for rotating the dial, you can also engage the heated mirrors. And then you have the power windows and the child lock for the second row. The infotainment unit is a Volkswagen multimedia fitted with touchscreen with a wide 8 inches screen, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through USB-C, which is located just a bit further down, and the radio is a DAB radio. Just underneath, you can find the controls for the air conditioning, the aforementioned USB Type-C and a 12-volt port, and the auto start and stop toggle through here, plus I forgot to mention You also have the heated rear windscreen. This vehicle is fitted with a 6-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features of the Volkswagen Transporter Crew Cab. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.